talaga sa inyo. As in, yan yung mga magsising sa inyo. Yan yung mga magbibigay sa inyo ng chismis, ng tip. Kaya yan yung talaga mga dapat alagaan yan ng mga tao. Kasi yung mga nasa taas, nag-change kasi meron sila na-assign sa iba. Pero yung nasa baba kasi, dyan na yan sila. So yun yung mga taga-record, yung mga utusan, yan. Mga importante yung tao yan. Page 50. Baka makita yung... Dito ako magawa ng number na Felix 1 to 5. 5.
Kata nagpapagis na mo dahil.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, uy! How is constructive district of personal property being carried out? Paano ang
personal na.
Ito ba ito?
Mga constructive din. Constructive, diba?
Constructive restraint is being carried out according constructive restraint. Constructive restraint. Constructive restraint. Constructive restraint can be carried out kapag ang goods attorney kaya ito constructive restraint can be carried out if the goods are para distract yung dilation ng last time. Ha? 251. Ayun. Constructive restraint authority which differs from the actual restraint enforced by merely prohibiting the disposal of the property. In constructive restraint authority yan yung kapag walang actual taking of the property itself authority. So, ang constructive restraint is only applicable kapag yun, kapag when a delinquent importer in the opinion of the Commissioner of Customs is yung mag-alis ka ng country, isirado niya na ang kanyang negosyo, pati yung
thank you. Number?
gusto ko maging kupal ngayon. Sige, maging mabait na lang ako. 5.
Ako yan.
3, ay, hindi na sa akin kayo kagampa. 4, 5, Vanessa.
May libro ba yun? Bayit. Tagay ba yun? Kasi section na ba? 11:33? Dapat na daw?
Requiring the reporter or any person in possession or control of such property by and preserving the property
Asan?
to obligate, disturb, and restrain
Good to good.
the state and condition of the life of the government. The same and not to dispose of the same in any manner whatsoever without any express authority of the commissioner.
Ano ba? Ano ba yun?
In case the importer or the person in possession and control of the property so to be placed under constructive dispute or fail to sign the receipt herein referred to the
Hindi naman, hindi. Wala pa, hindi pa yung
Focus at sa focus at sa
ano pa lang?
I have safety part.
Yung sa kanila, sa Bisaya, di-implement pa lang ang
Report ba?
warrant of restraint. Halimbawa, si Customs Officer Agayan, i-add ko sa inyuha, supporter. Dihatag niya katong warrant of restraint para sa inyuhang sakyanan, para i-cover ang duties and taxes. So, unsa man ang buhaton?
ano sign sign receipt covering the property to relate to preserve the strange condition at the same time of the
Sign,
government seizure of the
to sign
sana receipt covering the property to
the property. And then,
and to obligate to preserve the restraint, property of the state and condition at the time of the government seizure of the same and not to dispose of the same in any manner whatsoever without the authority of the commissioner.
yes, first is to sign, second, obligate to preserve, and third, not to dispose. Okay, thank you.
Bye. Asan daw?
Number,
One ma'am.
luwang.
Di ako tatay.
So, anong gagawin pag ayaw tanggapin ni importer yung warrant of restraint? Anong gagawin ni customs officer? Tatawag ng police?
Alam, murag nabasahan ko na. Kadali lang attorney. Ano attorney? Detail na. Mag-refuse. Ando.
Pasada ng mga number. Kita lang.
Kung ano man ko. Dili ma... Upon failure of the person owing any delinquent crime.
Ano? Kung si importer ayaw niya tanggapin yung warrant of restraint,
Ayaw tanggapin, ma'am. Paan, ma'am? Cease and return to the issuance of warrant of restraint by the Commissioner of Customs. The goods, chattels, or effects, and the personal property, including stocks, and other security, debts, credits, bank accounts, and interest in and rights to personal property of such person in sufficient quantity to satisfy the duty tax and other charge, expenses of the restraint, and the cost of subsequent sale serve the warrant, make or cause to be made an account of the good, chattels, effects, or other personal property restraint. Leave a copy of the account to the owner or person from whose possession such goods, chattels, or effects or other personal property were taken or at the dwelling or other place of
okay,
business.
thank you. Number?
5.
Saan mo mabasa rin mo?
Okay.
Ako ba naman yan? Wala naman kami nagkuhan niya.
What is ayaw tanggapin yung warrant of restraint? Ha? Tapos? mag-give na siya ng papel, ano gagawin na kaagad? In lang, mag-give lang, in the presence of two witnesses, tapos, anong mangyayari na sa property?
Hindi, patano daw.
Di ba? Saan sa may tabi sa
It
property?
will be placed under constructive restraint. So, in case the importer or the person in possession and control of the property sought to be placed under constructive restraint refuses or fails to sign the receipt showing referred to, the customs officer effecting the constructive restraint shall proceed to prepare a list of such property and in the presence of two witnesses, give a copy thereof in the premises where the property restraint is located. Tapos, after which the said property shall be deemed to have been placed under constructive restraint. So, pag na-place na siya under constructive restraint, hindi na pwedeng ibenta ng importer yung property, hindi pwedeng tago, hindi pwedeng damage, or ibahin.
Section 112.
Thank you, Monte.
Kaya ako nandito. 1, 2, 3. Sige, hindi ko alam. Ayos tayo.
Number na Monte. 1, 2, 3, Canores. Pag criminal case ang ipa-file, sino ang magpa-file niyan?
Commissioner.
Commissioner.
Grabe.
Number na, Canores.
5. Attorney.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Ibaya.
Sorry, Dad. Kasi ganun ako. Ha?
Tag na rin yan. Tag na rin.
5,
Nangilan ba? Nangilan.
Bureau of Customs. Number 1, Babuyo.
Ma'am,
District collector na lang.
Sino
Manana.
ang magpa-file pag criminal case?
si Kuan ma'am. Si district collector mo.
District Collector. Number Babuyo.
Number 1 ma'am.
Kagampang.
Ay, forbidden.
Sino?
Court of tax appeal.
Commissioner. Number? Number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. Sino ang magpa-file pag criminal case? Sino sa DOJ?
35.
Ay, atay. Parang buwang.
Secretary of Finance.
Review the
Number na?
officer. DOJ ang secretary.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Agantay.
Sakto mo, kabod.
Sino ang
This action may
magpa-file?
file without the approval of the commissioner. Yes, Head of Secretary of Justice. Head mo na, DOJ. DOJ head mo, DOJ ka. Sabi ko, eh, sige sa Secretary of Justice. Department.
Sis SOJ.
DOJ.
Ano ka ba?
DOJ.
Di ba po commission yun?
Number na?
Monte.
5, Bong Ramusa.
50.
Ano ma'am? Eh, dino. Ang
DOJ na lang ba yun? Oh, Department of
ang
Justice.
member of the ano ma'am?
DOJ na lang ba?
Ay, sa DOJ mo ba ma'am?
Sa
Depart-
DOJ mo ay papay. So, diretso lang ako sa
Pantay, oy.
Papriso daw dito ma'am.
diretso lang ako sa DOJ, wala na ako ng balik.
Commissioner. CTM.
Ha?
CTM.
Sige.
Sa CTA?
Ipasa sa
Nandito
DOJ.
kayo sa DOJ, pero
Huwag ka ba?
yan
Nag-isa
sa
ka.
daanan.
Filed ay approved by the commission.
Number na, huwag ka mo sa
Pila ma'am? 5 to 5. 1 to 5.
5 sa pinatasan.
To DOJ niya.
Bale, ang ano
Shall be handled by the Bureau with the assistance of the
handled by the Bureau of the DOJ, tapos, tayo lang
It's a man.
handled siya sa Bureau. Sa mga the mysterious.
Assisted by the DOJ.
And approved by
Number.
Commissioner.
Abdul. Saan ipapay?
First, attorney kay Daan siya kay Commissioner. Tapos,
Anong gawin ni Commissioner?
siya ang mag-approve sa criminal
Yes!
Tapos,
Pa-approve ka muna kay Commissioner. Tapos, add mo ka kay DOJ. Si DOJ ang
Wala ko
magpapay.
nag-inog about DOJ.
Number na Abdul.
for attorney
1, 2, 3, 4. Paano naman tumanda pag civil case? Ano? Approval of the commissioner. Number na tumanda. 1, 2, 3. Agonia.
civil way.
Civil and criminal action.
Barrier report.
Civil.
Barrier eh. Bay, barrier ah. Bay, nasa 135. Civil and criminal action.
Filed to DOJ with approved by commission.
Kailangan approval sa Bureau.
Tapos,
Assistant by the DOJ din.
DOJ din.
Dili.
Number,
One.
Luis. Pag civil case.
Shall be filed in court without the approval of the commission.
Without the approval of the commissioner. Number na, please. 1, 2, 3. Agayan.
Filed in court without the approval.
Filed in court without the approval of the commissioner. Number 1, 2. Rudin.
Ano ma'am? Shall be prosecuted and handled by the Bureau with the assistance of DOJ.
Prosecuted. Criminal case yan kung prosecuted. Okay, number Rudin.
One ma'am.
Lu.
Hey.
Shall be ano ma'am? Shall be filed with without the approval of Commissioner ma'am.
Filed with the approval of the commissioner. Makapudi.
Oh, ma'am. Una kay
True, commissioner, tapos solicitor general.
Yes!
Represent for
Solicitor
Manila.
General. Ang galing ni Makakuldi. So, civil action through the office of the Solicitor General. Civil actions and proceedings instituted on behalf, di ba sinabi ko na ito last meeting? On the government shall be brought the name of the governor of the Philippines.
Wala, may
to the
solicitor
office of the
din eh.
Solicitor General. No civil action for the collection of import duty taxes and other charges resulting from the conduct of a post-tax audit shall be filed in court without approval of the commissioner. Then, criminal action naman through Department of Justice for criminal actions arising from the collection of import duties, taxes, fees, charges resulting from the conduct of a post-tax audit shall be prosecuted
Suma
and
magna.
handled by the Bureau with the assistance of the Department of Justice, provided that the determination of the probable cause and subsequent finding of any criminal case
Parehas.
with the proper court against violators of this act
Dili,
shall
sa ano, loob man ako.
exclusively
May
belong
customs
to
din.
the DOJ. However, no criminal complaint shall be filed with DOJ without the approval of the commissioner.
Wala, may solicitor. Tanaw, wala.
Wala, ibitaw.
Wala, sige lang.
May natitirang isang tao.
Sayaw. Siltex. Pila eh. Focus to. So, mga briefcase na yung mga remedy din. Two old friends. Sumo man 117 ba? Sumo kay 117. Saan yung ganaan?
Yan o, sige na.
French kayo.
Pwede ba ibenta ng importer yung property na under-restraint?
No.
Hindi pwede ibenta, itago sira
Talaga?
pag constructive restraint.
Constructive or actual? Pwede ibenta o hindi?
Question ni attorney ba? Leading kayo. Uy! Saan? Yung nagbara. Atras mo dito eh.
Pwede na lang kasi asa.
Property?
Kaya nasan?
No. No.
Diba, in-explain ko yun last time?
No, hindi ba yung itago at sira ng property?
Ano ba ang hindi pwede gawin?
Hindi pwede ibenta, itago sira
Ng property.
Talaga? Hindi niya lang pwede itago.
Pera o kahon?
Someone has been carried out.
Kuwan.
Carried out.
Saan man? G. Tara.
So.
Ito siya, ikaw ni complaint ha.
Annex A.
The constructive restraint of personal property shall be effected by requiring the importer governing the property of the reserved the district government be on the same with the government same and dispose of the same in any manner whatsoever without the express authority of the commission.
So, pwede o hindi?
So, pwede
Ano raw? Raw not to dispose in the same any manner whatsoever without.
Pwede ma'am, basta i-record na importer or any person in possession
Kailangan ng komisyoner.
Na ano?
to sign a receipt covering the quantity and to obligate to present the
Huwag ka itong kamera.
on the state and
Tapos,
and then
Not to dispose of the same or in any matter whatsoever. Whatsoever lagi. Whatsoever.
and not to dispose of the same whatsoever without the express authority.
so pwede ibenta o hindi?
Hindi.
Pwede.
Pwede.
Pero okay.
Pwede.
Pero
Basta may
may authority.
Yes! Nakalagay dyan sa last sentence. Diba? Kung mapansin niyo, double negative. Not to dispose without the express authority. Kung tanggalin mo yan, pwede siyang i-dispose with the express authority of the commissioner. Okay, so answer, pwede siyang i-dispose.
Alis dito. Supay ito.
Okay, 4 o'clock for your last activity.
Kahon?
I-post ko ulit sa kanila.
Yes. Asa mo
Position
ito?
na lang. Asa position na lang.
Supay na. Can be solved the same any whatsoever as long as it is authorized by the commissioner. Can be solved the same in any matter. Can be solved the same in any matter whatsoever.
Kasi, kasi ito.
Whatsoever. 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 As long as expressly authorized by the commissioner
1/4 lang.
of the customs administration. Yeah.
Wala ba dito?
express authority.
Again ha, pag criminal case, prosecuted by the DOJ. Pag civil case,
Magkano? 1/4?
civil case,
Wala pinsa pa.
Solicitor General. And then both cases must be approved by the commissioner.
1/4 or 1/1?
1/4.
Nawisa.
Sayang, wala na video.
Sayang, wala bidjuan.
Laro kayo na. Asan?
Salma.
Thank you, Salma.
Masakitan siya. Ito yung luton.
Alam mo, kahot din siya.
Ay, ay, ay. Ningalan, ininani talaga.
Yung 1134 ay next week na lang. Masyado kayo advance sa
Yes.
Kahot, kahot.
Lah.
Yawal.
Ito naman ay 1/4 lang. 1/4. Activity 7.
Break. No gay shit. No gay ass shit here, man.
Pre, kawin na lang ako pre, kaya mag-lesson mo guta pre, dili ko cancel wala na pre ba.
Sige, pre. Suko ka?
Wala man pre.
Look, problema dito lang, 4-0. 4-0 pa lang problema.
Problema natin.
Mic test.
Paano, bagay cherry ah?
Nag-mic test lang.
Paging Joban Gagampang.
Please claim your unclaimed baggage in the center aisle. Thank you. Yawal.
All the days.
So kakakita kay Boy.
Shit.
Femboy.
Super flash.
Oy, Femboy. Oy, Femboy. Hurry. Oy, Femboy. Baby.
What? God?
What sort of
Femboy.
Criminal importer na.